Hi there, hi boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the puzzle page of the weekend edition. Yes, the Saturday edition, July the 15th, 2023. And today on Sunday, I've already solved one puzzle. The Sudoku with 1 star. It's actually a 1 star, not a 3 stars. It's indicated with 3 stars, but should be a 1 star. Has 28 printed digits. We have one puzzle left in this puzzle page, the binary puzzle, and later on I will do the rest of the puzzles of last Monday, and then in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, Samurai Sudoku. Alright, let me start with this binary puzzle. Binary puzzle and number. This will be number. 6761, I believe. Yeah, 6761. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, while this one has 28 printed digits. 28. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, need here a 1 and an O. Yeah. Alright. And now, between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Alright. Let me think. Here we have also 4 ones. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. That box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Here. And there. I need an O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. Same for here. between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, and no, there no. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have here 4 1. Oh wait. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Okay. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the fifth O. Yeah, double O, here 1, there 1, between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, I like this one, yes, I really do. Without comparing, and we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and well, I will see you in a minute with the rest of the puzzles of I believe the Monday edition. Yeah, the Monday edition. I have the Monday edition of July the 10th. Yes, we have there 3 puzzles left, and after that I will solve in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.